The project was born from the need to recover an old house. Located in the historic center of the city of Merida, Mexico, Casa Deco is one of the few houses in the historic center of Merida that are characterized by having the architectural style that bears its name. This style was not the original style of the house, but the result of a remodeling of the facade. So we decided to show the pre-existences, both formal and functional, that the house has suffered during its long life. The project seeks to reinterpret the downtown lifestyle, hence the importance of the backyard, its balconies and terraces. Given its antiquity, several spaces were modified to achieve a better functioning suited to the present time, always respecting its historical character.